Alright, let me take you through how to replace the blade that is really messing up everything. First thing is first, make sure you plug it out, because if that thing turns and your hand is there, you can say goodbye to your little fingers. So what you need, I don't know if you guys can see, but there in the inside is a little screw. So yeah, then you can just screw that nut off and the whole thing comes off. Let me show you. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you need to take this off to get to the nut. So there's a screw here and there's a screw this side, and I'll show you take that off and then from there on. For this one, I'm using pliers because it's a very small nut that I've got here on the inside. Just take that off, and then everything should just come off, and then you will see the nut is open. Now the other thing is there's a button here. Let me show you. So there's a little button here, and when you press it, it hooks the blade to one position, and then it locks it. So what you do is, you see it locks. From there on, loosen it. There we go. Make sure that you don't drop any of this stuff, because it's very important to have, because it's got like a little thingy where, I don't know if you can see it, it hooks into this thing, and there you take your one off, I've got a new one here. So yeah, rotation, just make sure that you're putting it on the right way. Usually on the thing there's instructions on how to put it on, which side to put it on. You don't want to put it on the wrong way, so otherwise you're gonna not able to cut anything. Alright, and then remember to hook it in again. Make sure that you're keeping that thing tight, and you tighten it, and there you got it. New one, put your covers back on, and then you're done. So it's ready to use. So you've done your plate and everything, you're ready to go, and you can plug it in. Don't plug it in if you're busy with it. You can plug it in when you're done with it. Safety first, please. Thank you, guys. So, clean cut. You see, clean cut. No edges like this. Clean cut. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If it was helpful, yes, leave a comment in the section below. Tell me your thoughts. Let's keep it PG. Okay? Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one.